Hi viewers, today's lesson is all about the poem Animals. Animals poem is written by Walter Whitman. Walter Whitman is born on 31st May 1819 in New York. He was an American poet, journalist, and essayist whose collection Leaves of Grass was first published in 1855 and is a landmark in the history of American literature. He died on 26th March 1892 in New Jersey. In the poem Animals, Walt Whitman has given informative points about animals. He is very comfortable in the company of animals. He says animals are placid and self contained. They do not whine and weep about their conditions. They are always satisfied and do their duty towards God and express their love and respect towards human beings. They lead a life of satisfaction and peace. God gave man a higher position than to that of animals. Walt Whitman, the great American poet, believes that animals are better than men. The poet appreciated some qualities in animals which man does not have. He expressed his observation about animals and man through his poem The Animals. Walt Whitman is very fond of the company of animals. The poet desires to live among the animals because, according to him, animals are calm and self sufficient. They do not whine and weep about their conditions. They are always satisfied and do their duty towards God. Animals always express their love and respect for human beings. Animals spend a life of satisfaction and peace. They do not possess an obsession with possessing things. They do not show respect for others. Sorrow and happiness are equal to them. Whereas humans are crazy about material things. Humans lie awake at night. They cry for the wrong that they have done. At last, they lose their temper over trifles. Animals are quite happy. They don't idle away their time for discussing their duties to God like human beings. He observes that humans do not have these qualities which animals possess, such as signs of love, quietness, kindness, selflessness, honesty, patience, sympathy, and so on. These qualities are absolutely essential for a glossy life. The poet has a deep aspiration to learn from the animals since they express their utmost concern for them. They do not possess any kind of falsehood. The poet is much amazed at this quality. He desires to earn them though he had left them carelessly. He feels that the life of a man is full of stress, depression, anxiety, unhappiness, and so on. So, he desires to turn away from living with other humans and he wants to live in the company of animals for good because he thinks that he will get real happiness among animals. The poem Animals by Walt Whitman is a comparison between animals and humans. The poet shows how animals are better than humans as they are more empathetic than humans. He says that animals also have feelings just like human. However, their way of expression is better than human beings. He pointed out that humans have lost the true meaning of life in this fast-paced life while animals still enjoy the true beauty of life and nature. He beautifully describes that animals are calm and self contained. They are happy with the resources they have. They do not criticize what they already have like humans. He reiterates that the human beings have lost their sanity while chasing the material goods. Finally, the poet says that he would be happy if he was an animal than a human. He said that He enjoyed the company of animals as compared to that of humans. He wants to transform into an animal in order to understand what helps animals establish their lifestyle. Dear viewers, the value that we learn from the poem Animal is that we all should try to be calm, relaxed, and contented. We should free ourselves from the mania of possessing more and more things. There is no use of grumbling over our condition. We should remain happy in all circumstances. We should stop discriminating people in the name of religion, race, caste, or complexion.